Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to create an IAM user in AWS with full access. First, type IAM in the AWS search bar and go to the IAM Dashboard. Next, click on Users, then click Create User. Enter a username of your choice. Then, enable Provide User Access to the AWS Management Console. Create a custom password for the user. Now it's time to set permissions. For full access, choose Attach Existing Policies directly and select AdministratorAccess. Click Next, and finally click Create User. After the user is created, copy the account ID and the login credentials. Now open a new browser tab and log in with your newly created AWS IAM user account. That's it. Your new IAM user with full admin access is ready to use.